Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So let us go. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Assalamu alaikum. And I hope you are very well. So in this video we were talking about what is relational operator. Previous video we were talking about what is operators, what is type of operator, what is Boolean operator, assignment operators. In this video we were talking about what is relational operator. So guys, what is a relational operator? We will discuss what is a relational operator in briefly. Relational operator, in simple word, what is mean by relation? For example, me and you, your relation is just like a friend. सही है. Your relation is your mother is mother son. सही है. So most of the cases we use relational operators to find whether a value is true or false. For example, there are six types of relational operator in C language. Sorry, 5 types of relational operator. Sorry, 6 types of relational operator by my mistake. There are total 6 types of relational operator. 6 type of relational operator we will discuss in briefly. So take patience in your life and then we see what is the relational operator in briefly. So the best way to find what is the relational operator in briefly, we say plus, we say greater than, less than, comma, greater than is equal to, comma, less than is equal to, comma is equal to, comma, not is equal to. Total 1 2 3 4 5 6 types of relational operator in C language. The work of greater sign is find value is greater or not. The work of greater sign operator is find value is greater or not. Find same work the operator the less than the work of less than operator is find value is less or not. The work of greater than operator is find value is greater than or is equal to. Find value is greater or equal to or not. Similarly, the work of less than is equal to operator is find value is less than, find value is less or equal to or not. The work of equal to operator is find value is equal to operator is equal to or not. The work of not operator is not is equal to operator is find value is not equal to or not. So I hope you understand what is a relational operator, the types of relational operator, and I hope you understand what is the work of greater than sign, what is the work of less than sign, what is the work of greater than is equal to sign, what is the work of less than is equal to sign, what is the work of is equal to sign, what is the work of non is equal to sign. Let us go and code with different manner. First of all, you write hash include, tell the operating system I want to a library which give us some function like printf scanf, and we use integer main. Integer main tell the operating system execution is successfully finished. For example, integer a, we make a container name a and I say 10 and I say 2 greater than 1, and when we print this value %d comma a, pause the video and send your comment in comment box what is the output of this program, and I hope you send, I wait you, and I hope you send the output of this program and see what is the output of this program. If I run this program, see what happened. 1 is printed. In C language we were discussed previous video, 1 define true and 0 define false. I hope you understand very well. So integer a is a container which contain 2 greater than 1. 2 greater than 1 is a true value, so is a true value, true defined 1. So 1 is stored in a container of a. When we print the value of a, 1 is printed. If I say integer b is equal to 3 less than 9, and when I print %d comma b, let us see what is the output of this program. 1. 3 less than 9 is a true value. 3 is small. 3 is small with 9. 3 is small with 9, so it is a very correct value. It is a true value. So 1 is saved in container B, and this container B contain 1, and when we print container B, variable B, 1 is printed. When we make a variable integer c, we say 4 greater than is equal to 7, yes or not. Pause this video and tell what is the output of this program. If we print %d comma c, see what happened. In container C, the condition is 4 is greater than or 4 is greater than or is equal to 7, yes or not. Integer C say, container C say me 4 is greater than or is equal to 7, yes or not. So 4 is not greater than 7 and 4 is not is equal to 7. So false value is stored in integer C, and we and in C language false defines 0. So when we print container C, see what happened. 0 is printed. If I comment this program and check integer d is equal to 6 less than is equal to 6. D is a container which check 6 is greater than 6 is less than or is equal to 6 not. 6 is not less than 6 but 6 is equal to 6. So in container C true value is safe, and in C language true value defined 1. When we print percentage d comma d, so what is the output of this program? 1 is printed, 1 defined true. This is very most important chapter. Practice the code again and again. If you can't understand anything, send comment in my comment box and say me what is the problem you face, what type of problem you face. And you don't worry, my handwritten notes is inshallah come in description box. If in description box you not achieve my handwritten notes, so you are going to tutorial number 1. Inshallah in tutorial number 1 you see my handwritten notes. Integer e contain 4 is equal to 6. So see, we declare integer and e and say 4 is equal to 6. 4 is equal to 6, yes or not? Obviously not. 4 is not equal to 6. False value is stored in integer e and false defined 0. So when we print e, see what is the output of this program? We see 0 is printed which define false value. So let us see. If we say integer t is equal to after e f we contain f is equal to 5 and say 5 is not equal to 7. This condition is true because 5 is not equal to 7. 5 is always equal to 5. 5 is not equal to 7. This condition is true, so true defined 1. 1 is printed. If we comment this program and print f, and we see parent integer variable f, see what is the output of this program? 1 is printed. When I again run this program, 1 is printed. I hope you understand what is arithmetic operator, what is what is a relational operator. It is very useful and very necessary to us. I give you a task. Your task is simple. Write a program to take two input with user and check first value is greater than or is equal to second value, yes or not? This is very simple program, and in this program you take floating point, you declare floating point variable. For example, in this case we declare integer variable. This is integer. You take floating point variable, float two values a comma b, and take input with user with the help of scanf function, and then your work is, and then your third task is check a greater than or is equal to b, yes or not. When you declare variable name, you always you should declare first and second. You should declare any name, what name you suitable. I multiple comment this program. I hope you understand this program very well, and in this program I should also explain what is the increment and decrement operator. It is very most important topic. You learn this topic very well. See all the program, pause the video, take a screenshot, or try run this program. I know this program is little hard for you, but it is very interesting and very simple and very important topic. In this time we were talking about what is increment and decrement operator. It is our second chapter is finished. In this chapter we were talking about what is increment and decrement operator. Simply we were discuss what is increment operator. Increment and decrement operator, we should learn increment and decrement operator with the help of typing code. First of all, we write #include stdio.h. This library give us some function. Integer main we use for first execution, and we write, if we say integer a is equal to 1, if we say a is equal to a plus 1, and then when we print this value, pause the video and tell me what is the output of this program, and you should learn what is the you should see what is the output of this program. And I hope you send your comment in comment box, and I run this program very well. 2 is printed. Why 2 is printed? Because a is equal to 1. After a you declare a is equal to a plus 1, which is similar to 1 plus 1, because in a contain 1 and 1 is come in this area. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, so 2 is printed. And I hope you understand this program very well. But if another way is type the same situation, yes, C language give us another way to write this similar thing. If we say a is equal to a plus plus, we say a plus plus, which is similar to a is equal to a plus 1. If we run this program, see what is the output of this program. 2 is printed. Why 2 is printed? in a 1 is safe, and then after we declare increment operator, the value the container a will become a plus 1. A is 1, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 is printed. If we remove this program and I want to subtract a minus 1, so in this case a minus 1 is printed, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and in container a 0 is stored, and when we run this program 0 is printed. The another way to write this similar code, a minus minus, when we run this program see what is the 0 is printed, because it is similar to a is equal to a minus 1. The value of a is 1. If we change the value of a and say integer a is equal to 2, see what is the output of this program. A is equal to 1, because 2 is come in this area. 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Sorry, by my mistake. If I say plus plus a and I run this program, see what is the output of this program. 3 is printed. But if we print a plus plus in this place, pause the video and say me what is the output of this program. If I run this program, 2 is printed. Why 2 is printed? Because I say a plus plus is equal to a plus 1, and in this case a is equal to 2. 2 plus 1, we know that 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So so why 3 is not printed? When I run this program second time, you say only 2 printed, 3 is not printed. I say this reason. A plus plus means a is equal to a plus 1, but after execution, you say clear, you say my words carefully. A plus plus is equal to a plus 1, but after execution, when a plus plus I write in this area, when compiler has come in this area a plus plus, the value of a is in this line, the value of a is a, but in next line the value, but after execution, after this line execution, the value of a will become a plus 1. So you understand, this is very important for us. When we print a plus plus, so the value is increment. The value is increment. A is equal to a plus 1, but after execution, not before execution. But after execution, not before execution. If I say a minus minus, see what is the output of this program. 2 is printed. A minus minus means when I say a minus minus, a is equal to a minus 1, but after execution. Two and 3 in printed. I later another video we will explain in detail when I run this program 2 is printed. When I run this program in this way, printf percentage d comma plus plus a. So what is the output of this program? Say 3 is printed because plus plus 1 is equal to a is equal to a plus 1, but before execution, and I hope you understand my talk very well. Before execution, when I printf percentage d comma minus minus a become a is equal to a minus 1, but before execution, say what is the output of this program? A is equal to 2, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Run this program very well and 1 is printed. And I hope you understand what is operator, what is boolean operator, logical operator, arithmetic operator, assignment operator, relational operator, increment and decrement operator. This video is finished. I hope you understand all the program very well. Take care of